Ever wondered why your stomach makes those loud, embarrassing noises? Well, it's not just hunger, it's your digestive system at work. When your stomach and intestines are moving food, gas, and liquids through the digestive tract, they create those rumbling sounds. This phenomenon is known as borborygmi. Yes, that's the technical term. Even when your stomach is empty, it continues contracting to clear out leftover food and air. So next time your stomach growls, don't be embarrassed. It's just your body doing its job. How often does yours make noise?